Hello everyone. So this is my third video. So I am going to try the See's Candy St. Patrick's Day. So let's go and check and see what it looks like. It looks like this. Oh wow, it's powdery. Look at this. Very powdery. So this comes from the box like this. And it's in the bag with a little paper. It looks like an Easter egg, not potato. Ooh, it's messy. Looks like a nut or something. Pine nuts? Yeah, it's pine nuts. It's powdery. Smell like chocolate. It looks like poop, not potato. It's good. It's chewy. Have a lot of nuts. Oh, it's a divine center coated in milk chocolate with cocoa and cinnamon. I could taste the cocoa and the cinnamon. But I like this. It's chewy. It's good. So I'm going to make this maybe a 7. It's kind of messy and stuff. So I hope you guys like this. This is very good. It's 200 calories, about 2 servings. So I hope you guys enjoy my video.